everyone, it's me, Jack, the Monster Jack, here for another video. And like and subscribe to see more of my content. And this is part 3! Rock! Yeah. Me and my mom were just having an argument that grilled cheese is actually called grilled cheese. Anyway, we're back with another video. And a bunch of dragons asking me to help them. I'm probably not going to help any of them in this series. Probably going to be a running joke. Everybody's just going to say in the comments, help one of them. But eventually this series is going to get boring. For me and you. And as we hit the 1 minute mark, we also have a new dragon. And all the things I promised in the last video are coming in this video. We're going to test out our newest member of our team, Turd. And his last video was called Pee and Poo. I ate Chipotle. I'm sorry. But I changed his name to I ate Chipotle. So, okay. I'm a complete joke. I'm a complete and otherly joke. Let's get to the battle. So, let's test out 2 new dragons. Turd and, which one is stronger? Diarrhea or poo? I guess I ate diarrhea. That would be the worst. Let's test out our new dragon, Pee. Oh my god, I can't imagine what kind of names I'm gonna think of, later. Later in the series. When there's, better and more cooler dragons, I'm probably gonna call them, Turd Face. I don't know. I don't think this is gonna do much. Oh! Oh! Oh yeah! We're both water type. Wait, I should have... Metal is weak against water? That kind of makes sense. Oh, crap. Well, I guess my swimming girl is gone. Pee. Okay, let's see what Turd can do. Wait, what am I doing? Weak. But it kills him anyway! Oh, God. Oh, no. Flaming arrows, I guess. My Aztec dragon will defeat you. Oh, my God! Our new team is terrific! Okay. A lot of minutes left to spare. Let's see what we can do. Well, I don't really think there's gonna be any. Okay, let's continue doing quests. Claim this, claim this. Okay, bluebell. Okay, let's grow some bluebell. You will grow the same thing. Well, I don't really know what we should do this episode. I really just wanted to show you a bunch of the new stuff, but let's read some new stuff. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do Pee and Poo. But this might be because Pee is a new member of our team. I still can't get over the Pee. Actually, that's pretty cool that I'm going to regrow that one. Got me a lot of food. I don't want to level up Pee. You know what? Let's do some more combat. Okay, let's do this. This is a good set of dragons. Wait. Oh my god! Oh, that's awesome! My Aztec dragon is awesome. Flying kick almost destroys my IA Chipotle. Earthquake is gonna wreck him. Knew it. Hopefully they use it. Yeah, you're done for, IA Chipotle. Oh no. Okay, the Aztec dragon turd is here. Flaming arrows is gonna murder you. So, wow! That's our biggest record of, wow. We're strong. I feel like there is mixes of, no, dirt. Wait, why is that down? Oh, he's water. Eee! Punch time. Punch him in the face. Oh! Oh, no! Oh, crap. That's not even a kick. Hey. We need to do some stuff. Let's regrow that. And, I don't think we need to level up anything. It's just IA Chipotle is too weak. So I'm gonna give IA Chipotle another thing. So I don't really know what my plans are for this episode because I just wanted to make a third episode. Oh my god, a golden. I knew it! There's mixes of 3. Knew it! Why do all of these guys have infinity on them? Have the infinity type? No, I don't want an ancient portal. I want this. Most of these guys actually do have infinity type on them, so I should not get rid of some of them. But I'm gonna anyway. So let's just continue doing. You know what? Let's do this. Okay, this episode we got the Blizzard Dragon. Let's place him here. And also, this episode, the sea and the okay, there we go. That's gonna be cleared. Wait, breeding event island? Oh my god, new element! We're missing it by 1 diamond. Oh my god, we're missing it by 1 diamond. I hate that so much. We could have gotten that offer. Okay, let's do our martial arts club again. Let's defeat the martial artists. There's really nobody else, so let's do it, I guess. Let's defeat these poos. feel like the earlier episodes are gonna be like more exciting than the later ones. But flying kick. Why didn't I use Earthquake? Okay, I need to restart. Crap. These two are breeding. Don't really know what we should do next. Yes, expand time. I don't think I even have 6 dragons. Also, this one doesn't count. Hi, Luz. How you doing? We're going to get leveled up big and strong. I keep regrowing that 1-1. It's pretty effective. Still don't know what else we can do in this episode. But we can visit the Scaredy Cat Dragon. But also, I'm not gonna save you yet. I know that sounds pretty twisted, but we're gonna get the nature habitat and place it in our new land we just bought. I don't actually think we can. Let's get rid of this rock. You're making me mad, game. I just want to do a YouTube video. Yay. Nature Dragon will be bought. And in the next video, the Nature Dragon will be born. But we need somewhere to get... a nature egg? Wait, no, not a nature egg. A tropical. That would be like water and grass, I think. Probably. So I got a blizzard dragon out of water and fire. What? I still don't understand that. I feel like that would be ice and ice. That would be ice and water. But I'm gonna get the habitat for it. I'm gonna get its habitat. The nature habitat. And also, we're gonna see what the nature habitat can do next episode. But before we end the episode, we're probably gonna do one more combat. So, let's do this. And to battle we go! Tsunami you do. And it's gonna... Oh my god. Yeah. Wow! Our Aztec Dragon is pretty strong. But has a low defense. Aztec Dragon is gonna be Swicked! Swicked? I make up words every single day. This is where my where Loach died last time. Yeah! We're gonna have to do some stuff about Splashy. But, that should get removed next episode. Aztec Dragon will finally find out. Oh, wait, no. Are they still breeding? Yeah, they're still breeding. I thought the Fire Dragon was done breeding. Next episode, we'll feed Luz to a higher level. We'll name the rest of the guys we haven't named yet. The guys we haven't named yet. Luz and the Nature Dragon, and also whatever these guys make. Luz is actually pretty good. I like Luz. He's our new member of our team. The Blizzard Dragon. He makes no sense, but he's awesome. Anyway, that's going to be the end of our episode here. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit that little bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye. The Monster Jack signing off.